Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here, and today we are going to be talking about the ammo mod upgrades in Cold War Zombies. All credit for the information goes to the original author. Just like always, I will have a link to the post in the description below. In Black Ops 3, they implemented a double pack-a-punch feature which went by the name of alternate ammo types, or AAT for short. By running your weapon twice through the pack-a-punch machine, one of 5 abilities would be applied to it. With these abilities, your weapon would fire a unique round every so often, which would trigger the ability. In previous Zombies maps, if you wanted to change the ability on the weapon, you would have to run it through the pack-a-punch machine until you got the one you wanted. In Cold War Zombies, we will now have the option to select the ability that we want. The first new ability we have goes by the name of Napalm Burst, which delivers fire damage and burns zombies. Ammo types are also upgradable, and once Napalm Burst is upgraded, it will deliver a longer duration and double the damage. This effect will most likely be very similar to Blast Furnace. The next ammo type is called Deadwire. It delivers electrical damage and stuns the enemies. Once upgraded, the stun will be longer, it will deliver double the damage, and there's a chance of a chain reaction in hordes of zombies. This ammo type will most likely be identical to the Deadwire we all know. Next up we have Brain Rot, which will be very similar to the turned ability in Black Ops 3. Once this ability is triggered, it will turn an enemy zombie into a fellow ally. Once the ability is upgraded, zombies will explode on death, damage will be doubled, and the effect's duration will be increased. The last ammo type on the list is called Cairo Freeze. This effect will deliver frost damage and slow down enemies. Once fully upgraded, the effect will slow down zombies even more, deliver more damage, and its duration will also be increased. With the 4 ammo mod upgrades out of the way, this video now comes to an end. I would like to thank my good friend Travy for making the beat that was used in this video. If you'd like to check him out, I will have his links in the description below. If you do enjoy my videos and you would like to support my work, I would greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on this video. I will be covering Cold War Zombies on the day it is released. If that's something that you would not like to miss out on, make sure to hit that subscribe button below this video and you'll be notified every time I upload. Until next time, it's been Caspahz, and I'm out. Peace.
Dr. Richtofen wants you to subscribe to Caspahz.